and one last quality. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let me introduce our first speaker, Seb Sarmenta!
Good morning. Good morning po. Saan yung mga assistant ko dito na tutulong mo sa student? Ikaw, kukunan mo akong picture. Ikaw, labas mo yung seats. Akala nyo masarap ang Game 7? Masarap panoorin, mahirap gawin. Okay, pero it's a joy to do that. Where's our slides? It is a pleasure to be with you here today to share our love and passion for basketball, the sport of our youth, our fandom, and shared moments with friends and family. For many of us here, the sport continues to be a source of livelihood. Next slide, though. But where did this passion start? By the way, to all the academics here, please excuse my grabbing the photos from Google. I know that's not correct, but rush impression. Oh, you also did that. Okay. So how did it grow? Why was it basketball and not other sports like football, which is clearly followed by larger numbers around the world? Why did baseball's popularity end after its heyday? Today, allow me to offer a few possible explanations. Though these will require more thorough research and investigation, and many of our speakers in this event will offer more precise insights. But allow me to offer some very broad